Hey YouTubers, today something interesting on a E36 OBD1 Interior Light. If you have one like this with a single button, you will notice that it only has 4 pins in the back, and if you want to change over to the OBD2 style, which is a 5-pin, you can see there's 5 pins. There's a small modification that you need to do. So this and this is identically exactly the same in size, but the only difference is on this OBD2 version you have 2 reading lamps on either side and 1 main light, where this one has 2 main lights. So if you want to do the changeover, simple. You need to do a small modification on the wiring, as your car will only have this harness to fit the 4-wire plug. So that plug fits very snug into here, and the only thing you have to do is the purple wire, which is also a 12-volt positive for your reading lamps. Okay, so you need to splice into your red and white, which is your main 12-volt feed wire to your main bulb. Splice into that, so you can just cut it off there. Splice into the red and white, cut into the red and white, and just do the connection and it will work superbly. Okay, so the splicing is done. I'm gonna go and fit it on the car and test it. Okay, as you can see, all the lights are working. There we go. Okay, the switch is a bit faulty, but it's on the setting where it needs to be for the doors. So I'm just gonna make use of the ignition key to just cancel the light out, and there we go. So the light's out, it's working 100%. Thanks for watching. Please do remember to subscribe.